Looking for more ways to upgrade your home with cool, new, sustainable products? Check it out. Hey everybody, Ryan here from GoodLeap Studio. When it comes to upgrading your home's efficiency, whether through solar, improved HVAC systems, or better windows and insulation, the goal is the same: more energy independence and lower utility bills. With the GoodLeap Home app, you can discover additional energy-saving upgrades and easily schedule a phone consultation to take your home's efficiency to the next level. Let me show you how. Accessing the shop feature on the GoodLeap Home app is simple. First, from the home page, scroll down to the shop carousel and tap Learn More under the product that interests you. Or you can hit the shop icon on the bottom navigation bar at any time. Once inside, you'll find a selection of products that GoodLeap can help you finance. Pick the one you're interested in and enter your home address. For those interested in solar or battery, upload a utility bill to help us understand your current energy usage and provide an optimal system for your needs. Then enter your contact details and don't forget to opt in for updates and reminders. Then tap Request a Proposal. One of our experts will reach out to answer your questions, walk you through your options, and connect you with a trusted local installation contractor. Making home upgrades isn't just about cutting costs on your energy bills. It's about creating a home that's smarter, more efficient, and better equipped for the future. Download the free GoodLeap Home app today and start your journey toward a more sustainable lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.